Hello everyone, Ryan here from Teen Travels, and today's video is all about the teen clubs on cruise ships. What do they look like? Are they fun? And so much more right after this. Teen Clubs is an amazing opportunity for teenagers to get away from their families for a few hours a day and meet new people their age. Teens must be between the ages of 13 and 17 years old, and on most cruise lines are required to register on embarkation day. The Teen Club will have certain hours they are open each day, and these times differ depending on whether you are at a port of call, as the Teen Club is usually closed during that time. During hours of operation, teenagers may come and go as they wish without signing in and out, and the staff will have activities for those who wish to participate. Every cruise line and every cruise ship have different activities and can change on a week-to-week basis depending on itinerary. Most teen clubs have gaming consoles to play on like Xbox, PlayStation, and Wii. Game consoles do, however, depend on the ship. They also have tons of board games and cards to play. Many times the teen program will venture outside the teen club to explore other activities on board, like teen dodgeball on the sports deck, a party at the pool deck, karaoke in one of the lounges, pool parties at night with the pool all to themselves, and so much more. The teen club, I think, is an amazing opportunity for anybody in that age group. Every cruise that I've been on, I have utilized the teen club to my advantage since I was high 13-year-old to now when I am now 16 years old. So it's for all ages. There's a group for everyone, right? So you have your 13-year-olds hang out together, your 14-year-olds hang out together. There's everyone who's in the same age range hangs out together, and you can actually really form some amazing friends. So you don't have to be with your family the whole entire time, because we know how bad that can be. And if you want to know how to travel with families, I'll leave our first video, or one of our first videos, up in the I button above if you want to check out how to cruise with families if you are interested in that. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure to comment and subscribe down below. And if you want me to make a video about kids clubs on board cruise ships, click that like button as well. For now, I'm Ryan. Safe travels.